Hey man, shout out Johnny Benz, man. Yeah, it's your boy Small G.O.
Yo, this ain't OnlyFans. Subscribe to Johnny Benz. You feel me?
Hey. Word. Hey, subscribe to Johnny Benz. Put that on your Instagram right there, my boy.
Shout out, subscribe to Johnny Benz. Let's go.
For sure. Hey, we out.
I don't talk on no shit cause I been that. Niggas yelling for bitches, we know that y'all snitches. Y'all touching the bag, get that shit cap. Take a shit, now come get your shit back.
And you know that my niggas malicious and we can get vicious when they come to riches, yeah. And when we pull up to the function, we get that shit bustin' and fuck on your bitches, yeah.
Fuck them bitches, fuck her back, they can fuck her.
It ain't no peace with the gang, that's a lesson.
Hey, they ain't no French right here. Y'all know what happened over there, bro. No cap, y'all know what happened over there. This is TYB, word. I bust my ass over there. Y'all gonna see, hold up.
You can't take the heat, better get out the kitchen.
Nah. Damn, son, that shit.
I ain't been to Caesar since I was younger.
Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Hey, rolling. You ready? My bad. My shit been acting up.
What?
Nah, it's called that Frank. It's water. Pardon me though.
Why the fuck y'all playing?
It's content. It's literally content. What's going on? But I was gonna ask. I was gonna ask.
There's a few cool tracks. Hit you! Playing all night long. I opened up 3500. If there's nothing up there,
Yo, my shit fake as hell. Like fake ass knees. Hit you! Why did I spin it back? Oh yeah, right there. How many people got it? Many more times. Many more. Come on. What happened?
It's a brain.
There's a brain. Yeah.
That's what's up. I'm gonna start my YouTube first.
Hey, stop playing.
Subscribe.
Guys,
You know the vibe.
stop playing, yo. Stop playing, yo. What you was about to do, though? Hey, what you was gonna do, though? You was about to do something? Like, we was like 2 hours away. In Jersey, though. You know what I mean? We still in Jersey, so. Type shit. They say I follow me on Gram.
I know. All y'all do it? Or just
Yeah, all of us.
Like, he just sneezed on me. I was like, what?
You still rolling?
I mean, you gotta hide the spray bottle better than that, my man. You got giant.
Damn, my God, like, you feel me?
You still see that giant old green top.
Man, I appreciate you though. You feel me? You gangster. Why? How y'all doing though? Let me try it on somebody else. You feel me? I'm gonna try it. Pick it up. Pick it up. My bad. My bad. Some bots. What y'all talking about COVID for? They got some COVID bots over here. Like, niggas is wildin'. Yeah, it's COVID. Don't do that. You gonna do what? Fuck COVID. Word. Cracker. Pardon me. Excuse my language and shit. Oh, fuck this COVID shit. I don't give a fuck about no damn COVID. COVID stopping you? Oh, alright. Who else gotta be? You don't get no bucket. Oh, stay right here. I'm about to do it to them.
Yeah. What was that? The no. Heard that? What? Yeah. This for rappers, scammers, hustlers. Just chasing a bag. Don't move, hop right, left, we bust them. 2-step, 1-step, move, we bust them. Been on money, cheese. My road max sleeves. I'ma take cheddar, no rap on the trap. I ain't writing no shit. Been talking to D's. Yeah. Bitches the trees. Go fuck, I wanna knock it down. Little bitch gotta leave. Bodies keep dropping like leaves in the fall. If you jacking the Kim, I'm Mac.